Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question and a topic of margin of error. Let's read. A company surveyed 500 clients about their opinion on a new service. 77% liked the service with estimates between 74% and 80%. What is the margin of error? That's the question. The most relevant information we need in this question is this. Let's find the range of these and then we will continue. Now, as you know, the range is the greatest number and the least number, greatest subtracted by the least number. So in this case, 80 minus 74, which is 6%. That is the range, not the margin of error. So don't confuse yourself with the choice D or something, or don't look at the choices at all while solving, because they can confuse you sometimes. Now, we will find the midpoint of these. Midpoint is something like the mean, finding the mean. I feel like it is quite similar or the same. As you know, the mean is calculated by the data you have. You add the data you have and divide it by the number of data you have. So in this case, 80 plus 74 divided by, I hope you guessed that right, 2, because we have only 2 data here. And I would suggest you to not look at information like this or this, because this is the only thing we need to find the margin of error. And then I will create an equation for that. That is easier. And then we have the range 6%. 6 divided by 2, because on the one side we divide by 2 and on the other side we do the same thing. So 80 plus 74 is 154 divided by 2 equals to 6 divided by 2. 154 divided by 2 is 77. Wait, actually, that is what we have here in the text anyway. That's the midpoint. And 6 divided by 2 is 3 percent. 77 means midpoint, and 3 means the margin of error. So since we only need the margin of error, we don't have to do anything else to this question. So 3 is our margin of error. That's the choice A. But I will also explain to y'all why, how this is correct, how you can check if you did it correct, because you have many choices there. Since 77 is our midpoint, you can add 3, and that must be equal to 80, which is this choice. And when you take away 3 from 77, you will need to have 74. If that's the case to your calculations, then your margin of error is correct. But if you have if you got 4 as your margin of error, if you calculate it wrong or something, you can still check. If your midpoint is 77 and you add 4, you will get 81, which is nowhere in the text, so that is an incorrect answer. So are the other answers, so they all get eliminated by that. So A is the only accurate and a correct answer to this question. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.